बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो सोचते हैं कि हम घर बैठ के प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे, दे थिंक दे प्रैक्टिस एट होम। व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द डिफरेंस? आपको क्या लगता है डिफरेंस क्या है घर में बैठ के? सत श्री अकाल जी साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, मैं वरुण लैंग्वेज अकेडमी सिडनी आस्ट्रेलिया तो आज मेरे नाल ने सरगुन जी जो साडी अमृतसर ब्रांच के एक स्टूडेंट ने। सरगुन ने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में 77 ओवरऑल स्कोर लिया है, 86 स्पीकिंग, 80 लिसनिंग, 77 in writing and 71 reading. Congratulations Sargun, very well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
सरगुन, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में 77 ओवरऑल स्कोर लेना इज अ वेरी बिग अचीवमेंट। आपको क्या लगता है पीटी के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज क्या है?
Sir, the most important thing is that we should use all the strategies that you have provided us because that are really helpful. I have used all those and that's why I have scored such good marks in my first attempt only.
Speaking 86, what do you think is that one factor which helped you score 86 in speaking? Speaking के लिए क्या important है सबसे ज़्यादा?
Sir, I think that first of all, of course, the strategy of one line that you have told us.
So you use one line strategy, right? आपने one line strategy use की थी?
Yes, yes, of course, sir.
That's
so because of that one line strategy, I think that our like a fluency that remain constant. I faced no problem in doing one line strategy. I was very comfortable in that. Moreover, our time is also saved. And yes, the main thing about the fluency in speaking, so that remains proper when we are using one line because we are not fumbling in that. And then we have also the choice of selecting just 8 to 10 words that we can speak and pronounce easily.
Correct. That's 100% correct, guys. Very important कि आप वन लाइन स्ट्रेटजी को फॉलो करो, बट वन लाइन स्ट्रेटजी को भी प्रॉपरली फॉलो करोगे तो आपका 90 भी आ सकता है। सरगुन 86 इन स्पीकिंग विद वन लाइन स्ट्रेटजी, वेरी वेल डन। सरगुन, आपने लैब में बैठ के प्रैक्टिस किया है, योर प्रैक्टिस इन द लैब। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो सोचते हैं कि हम घर बैठ के प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे, दे थिंक दे प्रैक्टिस एट होम। व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द डिफरेंस? आपको क्या लगता है डिफरेंस क्या है घर में बैठ के प्रैक्टिस करने से और लैब में बैठ के प्रैक्टिस करने में? दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है?
Yes. So, sir, if we are doing a practice in the lab, like we are under proper guidance of our tutors, and whenever we are facing any minor problem, even we can ask them, and the staff is there to help us at that moment only. But the same thing when we are doing at home only. So, I think that we face so many problems doing our tasks. So, at home we cannot properly practice. Like I took admission, so I in the morning batch. So in the morning I was in the lab, and yes, I do practice at home also. But I think that going to the center, that is more good.
Correct.
Because you are getting guidance at every step.
Yes, because when you practice at home, you don't really know if you're doing it the right way or not. जब आप घर में बैठ के प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो आपको लग रहा है आप सही कर रहे हो, बट एक्चुअली में वो सही है या नहीं कोई आपको बताने वाला नहीं है। वंस यू गेट द राइट डायरेक्शन, you know how to use the strategy and you can easily get your desired scores. Sargun, any final piece of advice? आपने भी देखा होगा अमृतसर ब्रांच में आपके साथ काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हैं, कईयों का फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में स्कोर आता है, कईयों का 2 अटेम्प्ट में भी स्कोर नहीं आता। कोई एडवाइस, कोई ऐसी चीज जो आपने पर्सनली फॉलो की हो जिससे आपका स्कोर आए?
So yes, personally I followed, first of all, yes, of course, the strategies. Moreover, the prediction files that you are sending us constantly, they are very, very helpful. And I feel that like there are 70 to 80% chances that we get questions from that prediction files. They're really helpful for most probably for reading blanks, reading, writing blanks, and even for the listening blanks also. And moreover, I feel that if we are going to center, we should study there properly with proper hard work. And of course, when we are coming back to home also, we should give time if we want to crack our exam in the first attempt only.
That's 100%
so hard work
correct.
Is the main thing.
That's 100% correct. Very important that you work hard, but work hard in the right direction and give proper time. If you're practicing at the institute, in the lab, you need to practice at home as well. Devote proper time and 100% success will be yours. Congratulations, Sargun. All the very best.
Thank you so much, sir.
Guys, remember this thing. अगर सरगुन ने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में 77 ओवरऑल स्कोर लिया है, 86 स्पीकिंग लिया है वन लाइन स्ट्रेटजी से, आप भी ले सकते हो, बट यू नीड टू मेक श्योर you follow the right strategies and work hard in the right direction under the right guidance, and success will be yours. Varun from Language Academy, keep on practicing. If she has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.